Hello, I'm the host of The Most, Kyle, and I'm here with my fellow co-star,
Rob.
And today we're in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, home of Jeffrey Dahmer.
It's Menomonie, Kyle.
Menomonie, home of so many things to do, to show you what's around town when you're here for the Unspooled Film Festival. What day is that, Rob?
May 12th through the 14th.
And we'll show you around town, take you to all the good spots and places to go. To start off our journey in Menomonie, we have to look around and see the wonderful nature that surrounds us. I mean, you have to go away from the hustle and bustle of the city with all the, hey, don't look at that. No, there's no cars, no cars. It's very secluded, very serene.
So we're here at a building. Don't exactly know what it is. Never actually seen it before, but it looks pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure Count Dracula lives here, so you should come check it out while you're here in Menomonie.
Thanks, Rob, for that amazing information about the alumni building. Today, we're here in Lake Menomonie, one of the hotspots of Menomonie culture. It's completely secluded from any industrial zone or high...
While you're on your journey in Menomonie, you're probably going to get a little bit thirsty, so you can come check out one of our many bars, like this one.
And 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 this one.
Well, Rob, we're at the end of our tour of Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
It's Menomonie.
Of course, Menomonie, Wisconsin, and we're here in Heritage Hall.
It's Harvey Hall, Kyle.
Harvey Hall, of course, at the theater to celebrate the Unspooled Film Festival opening. When's that again, Rob?
May 12th through the 14th.
You know, you better be there if you want to see us, because we'll be there.
It's going to be a lot of fun.
It'll be a lot of fun.
Maybe, possibly.
Probably.